Now, when it comes to Terra Luna Classic, we've got some big news breaking this morning, and we need to go over it. Guys, we're just going to jump right into it right now because Kwon has an arrest warrant issued in his name. Now, we're going to go into the details a little bit in this video, and I really want to talk about what this means for Terra Luna Classic moving forward. Because we are seeing some deep discounts right now on both Terra Luna Classic and Luna 2.0. The market reacting to news that South Korea has issued this arrest warrant for Kwon and reacting in a negative manner. I don't necessarily think that it's that negative. I mean, obviously Kwon's going to have a lot going on in his life right now. But when it comes to Terra Luna Classic, we've kind of already separated ourselves from Kwon, and I believe that this might be an overreaction. So let's discuss it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are going to get at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. In a $1 crypto trade, you're getting $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want a crypto exclusive exchange, you've got KuCoin down there in the description. You can buy Terra Luna Classic there. You can actually buy it on margin when it's available, and they reward you for the more often you trade, the more rewards you get. Let's put it that way. But I don't want to say that this is a long time coming. A lot of people are saying that they predicted this and so on. What we have is an arrest warrant out of South Korea for, I believe, violations of their capital markets laws. Okay, now I don't know if this is going to stick. I don't know if he's just going to go to court. I don't know if he broke some sort of a securities law and they're going to start saying that these capital markets laws are into cryptocurrency. This could actually be a little bit bigger than people are imagining right now. Capital markets laws, guys, when you start to worry about security fraud and securities laws and stuff like that, now we're labeling UST or Terra Luna Classic a potential security in this situation. So this arrest could have repercussions that we're not even beginning to think about right now that aren't just exclusive to Terra Luna Classic. It's kind of inclusive of the entire cryptocurrency market. And I don't really want to get into that too much, but what we have is this South Korean court issuing the arrest warrant. Kwon is currently in Singapore. Now, apparently, reading through the article here talking about the arrest warrant, Kwon has stated in the past during interviews that if the time ever comes that they do issue an arrest warrant or so on and whatever, that he will be complying and working with them in order to work things out. So, do we see Kwon go from Singapore to South Korea? Do we see the Singaporean government or the government in Singapore getting involved and I guess extraditing or issuing one of their own? There's a lot of questions that are left unanswered right now, but I mean, that's Kwon. We're in Terra Luna Classic. Here's what we need to remember. Kwon and all of his developer friends, the other 5 people that had arrest warrants issued for them this morning, they left Terra Luna Classic. They had no involvement in the future of Terra Luna Classic. They went on to build Terra Luna 2.0. Now, that's the main distinction that everybody needs to remember, is that Kwon and all of his friends were not involved in Terra Luna Classic anymore. They moved over to Terra Luna 2.0. And that's why I believe the reaction that we're seeing this morning is a little bit of an overreaction. Now, yes, Terra Luna 2.0 is down pretty heavy as well, dropping to, I believe, $2.12 this morning after touching roughly $8 a couple of days ago. Remember when Terra Luna came down and Terra Luna 2.0 was riding up in value and everybody's like, what is going on here? Touching $8 down to $2 this morning. So there's a lot going on in the Terra Luna ecosystem right now with Terra Luna 2.0 and Terra Luna Classic. But I guess it would be a justifiable move in Terra Luna 2.0 because it's potentially going to lose all of its developers here in a second. And in Terra Luna Classic, on the other hand, what's changed? Ask yourself, what has changed with Terra Luna Classic? Yes, the price is at a discount now. It has fallen down to roughly 25,000 points per coin this morning. At the time recording this video, it's about 29,000 points per coin. Though Kwon was not a leader, we've still got the burn tax being implemented on September 20th. We've still got major exchanges talking about supporting the burn tax. We've still got all of these things that are being rebuilt on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. And that's why I think that we may be seeing just some sort of a knee-jerk reaction. Some traders, guys, there's no doubt that there are traders out there that don't know the difference between Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna 2.0. They don't know that Do Kwon was not involved in Terra Luna Classic anymore, and that he's only involved in Terra Luna 2.0. They see headline news, and they make decisions just like that. They get in, they get out, they get in, they get out. And they're very... That's what leads to the volatility. Okay, it's not necessarily that they're not educated on what's going on, because they're certainly jumping in and jumping out of these trades, but you have to make the distinction between Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna 2.0 when it comes to what Do Kwon is affecting and what Do Kwon has control over. So all that we know as of this morning is that the arrest warrants have been issued. Do Kwon has not yet been arrested. Do Kwon is still out in Singapore up until, at least right now that we know of. So, basically, I want to know what you guys think, okay? I think it's an overreaction, especially for Terra Luna Classic, but I want to know your guys' thoughts on that, because it is a drastic pullback to see a 20% decline over a 24-hour period on news that really shouldn't affect what's going on here. So let us know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. And do not forget, Terra Luna Classic is still up. Roughly at this point a 5-6x increase, 500 to 600% gains over the last couple of months, while the entire cryptocurrency market got hammered yesterday because of the inflation report that came out. Guys, inflation is, it's important, but nonetheless, Terra Luna Classic continues to, I know it's down today, but continues to maintain these elevated levels despite everything that's going on out there. So there's always a silver lining, and hey, if the price continues to come down and you guys are here for the long term, imagine how many more coins we will be burning. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know about Do Kwon down in the comments below. And of course, if that button's still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You guys can get Terra Luna Classic on KuCoin. Free Discord in the description. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.